You hungry?
Yeah.
Let's eat some grass before we start our day.
No, this is actually not disgusting.
This ain't bad.
Does anybody want a ball and grass?
What?
Go get a ball.
Let's go.
You got toy fun. It's pieces of orange.
We're coming. What? We got something to eat.
Why you got toy so fun?
Where waters? I want it.
Here's your watches. Does anybody else want watches?
Where's my magical stick from Jasper?
Oh no,
Magical stick? We were having an adventure. You wasn't there. Oh, sad.
Yeah, the magical tick. I mean stick. Well, somebody's planting watches. We need to collect all these walruses. This one is small.
Ooh, yummy.
Oh boy, what is that piece of meat that's vegetarian?
Can we do this? You're kind of away from
Let's bring the
orange.
walruses home for Xavier. He loves vegetables. Okay?
Oh wait, we must pick the wattuses here. Because that's orange choices and no one wants to step in it.
This walrus is big. I mean small. I don't know. There's so much planted walruses.
Will you help us find some wattuses?
What? You sound like Amanda.
Will you help us find wattuses?
Yeah, we're fine. So I stepped up and stop sounding like Amanda. Yay, you found one radish. You found 2 radishes.
No, you found 2 radish.
You found
3 Wait, what?
that is not a radish.
You found 3 radish. Alright, back to the Squishmallows.
Wasn't fun yet, sis.
Me?
Yeah.
Where's the Squishmallows?
He's having started.
Well, we needed to rain. Wait, we got an idea.
What?
Come on, back to the area where we had water before. Just put parts of abominations in
I
it.
don't see.
Let's put abominations in here. Okay, for a side, let's put grass. Let's put different kinds of grass. And then we can put the waters. No, there is going to be an side. It's right there, see?
That's the side.
Yeah.
We said.
Yeah, we is outdoor chefs.
Nobody has ever been an outdoor chef. We're using outdoor stuff to make food.
Doesn't it look good?
What's this?
Put it in.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. Hot dog and beyond.
Come on, all the Squishmallows, let's go.
Okay.
Pick some yellow grass while you're over there.
Does this count?
Yeah.
Where's my
Then you should wash. Get yellow grass, okay?
Okay, put it. This?
Yes.
Looks like a
Get
yummy.
some more.
He's gonna have the most perfect salad. Can't wait to eat this.
Get a yacht. That's going to be tasty. Thank you for helping us find some things for our snack.
This is salad. That Waters doesn't have purple. It's not green. That Waters doesn't have purple. It's not green. This Waters has purple.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Oh boy, I'm so excited.
I've gotten my appetite wetty.
Hopefully you all got one up.
Because you're going to want to eat this.
Yeah. And they bug.
You're an Axel.
No. You got away from her.
Put it in.
It looks nice. Thank you guys for helping us make our YouTube. I mean, science. No. Always get mixed up.
Smells good.
Yeah,
There's a
big tasty one over there. This is fine.
Just eat this pie. Why is there a fake leaf?
Oh no.
The salad looks good. Excuse me, guys. The salad looks good.
Of course it does. It looks perfect. Is this all we need?
No.
I just need one little tiny bite. That tastes so freaking good.
We go to toilet. Eat. Excuse me, eat. Just like a abomination's mess. Masterpiece. Just what we like.
I need a tongue.
Hey, we have to eat too. Give me some worms. Hey, it's nice. Hey, yummy. That was good. Yes.
Okay, who wants the other boy?
Hey, I'm supposed to have some.
No.
We're supposed to have some, you know?
You have some.
Whoa, that is good. Mariska, you have to eat.
Here, I'm dirty.
You used to be West boys, do you? Who wants to eat the leftovers? Me.
Oh, you can eat the after first.
What? You don't want it? It's so good.
I'm full.
Anyone else want it? Yummy
I'm about to
leftover.
throw up. You think we can fit one more to see? Oh.
Well, that's the problem. Sorry.
I just want to put this on my face. How many yucks?
Okay, yeah, darn it, boy, sheep.
Should me some? We didn't get any.
Everyone gets inside the bag. Every me are going to the
That
bag.
was a nice mirror. If people don't like a chapter, then they can go to the other chapter.
Everyone, we is going back to the park now.
You can just go to Goat Yemens. This is dark.
Whoa, what is this place?
Now it's dark.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Let's start. Are you still yoink this guy?
Yeah, I do. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
It's dark. No more yoink. Then the sun starts showing on the piano.
But birds are chopping so yard. That's what bothers us, right?
Is this a what's it? How is this a what's it? The bird noise is sounding annoying.
I know what.
Your birds are
Come on. You got this over here. Considering it.
Wow.
Think. What do you think, Mariska?
I don't know. It's good.
Alright.
Is that your cute bananas?
Those are bananas.
Wait, your popcorn!
Whoa, it's bearing.
Can we grab some popcorn?
No, yeah. Grab as much as you like. For yourself. But don't give me poem. Alright, we're just gonna get to those annoying birds.
We must be making all the sound over here. Edgar! I can't hear my Edgar directly, but I know there's an Edgar here. Edgar! Do you hear it?
You see that bird?
What? Oh, wait, is it looking? You see it?
It's getting ready to run when we come too close to it. Not too close. Ew, what is that? What is this, guys? How's bird coca?
It's so dirty.
You're looking at Bob.
Hey, I
You
Bob.
have to look at me.
You think it's going crazy? Alright, here's the bird. Why did you spot that bird? Why did you find out?
It's on a gate.
Alright, where is it? I see it. There's another one. There's over there. Look,
Okay, I already know where it is.
It was trying to tell you.
If he scares me, y'all.
Bad people you're gonna feel.
Yeah, maybe we should get out.
But here, I don't want to be here anymore. What is bad people someone's head?
Alright, boy, Melissa, good luck facing the bad poopy.
What?
You see what I mean. Come in the bag if you don't want to deal with that.
You just told me when to come in the bag.
There's so many birds here. He's what?
I thought we destroyed those pills. Maybe they got back.
Should have expected that.
Oh well. So, do you remember the time where we killed your noob?
They were eaten by coyote fitters. We don't think we should give them another hard time. Like we did off camera before.
Yeah. Go to the cinema.
We burnt them in flames.
But I'm sorry you didn't get to see it. I'm gonna give you a big breakfast.
Yeah, it has a lot of protein in it. You're gonna love it.
Oh yeah. Guys, it's use pians for fasten.
Okay. No, I want to do that too. Yeah. Oh, come on.
It also builds your eyes from the sun.
Oika.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can.
Plans for fashion.
Oh, these big pians have wanted up. Also very comfortable.
Yes, sleep on them. Gotta break one right here.
I'm just taking.
I'm cold. Because I'm just a sandwich.
Happy birthday. Why must okay, what are you?
Do you the yeses? Lot of herbs on it.
I'm gonna get to yut. I'm gonna get to bugs to bun down.
Take a look at this. Natural.
Wait, what's it? This is a tukar.
Yeah, that's
And
right,
this
Tuka.
is the cheese. Tukar, make a tukar on top of me. Sorry, yummy. Wait, guys, it's just food. That won't fit.
Okay.
We need to fit it in. Also, we need more cheese. Dun, 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 cheerful music, blah, 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 blah. Dun, 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 cheerful music, blah, 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 blah. Dun, 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 cheerful music, blah, 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 blah. We have too much cheese. We need shot. Why? This tickles.
It's a wee bit. Ooh, look at this one.
I think we're done now.
Do you see you can cook her?
Who said it?
You said give it to.
Someone who's been behind.
Someone that's your best friend.
Okay. We met have a good took guard.
Tinker Mariska.
I'm gonna make a big one. Right now. No, Nesta. No, Nesta.
Done. Tinker Mariska.
Bigger one.
Tinker Mariska. Ma.
Only one time. I'm making a bigger took guard. Now, what are you going to do?
Squishmallow tacos. I remember. It's a taco for Squishmallow.
Yeah, and it's not healthy for you guys, for you humans. It's disgusting. But it's also very
Got a whole lot of this one.
It's gonna make the biggest sugar.
Yeah.
What is it gonna be for?
Yep. Can we pick?
Okay, well we need to fill this up. I get a bit.
I want to have the one pick the wet tea. So let's take them all out and do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay.
And I'm not one of the choices.
What? Little bar.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Classes like a boy, it's time. If it gives me yours,
22 minutes.
let me know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah! Melissa, you have it.
Yummy. That was the best ticker.
We're so happy, Squishmallows. Even if we didn't get anything.
Oh, you okay?
I'm gonna make the Tonya excuse me. I mean, not excuse me, took off. Full excuse me. Do this at home, or dare you. Or probably at the park, that makes more sense.
Anywhere outdoors that you could do this with.
If it has the type of jump.
Yes. You have to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
This is the ice tiger.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hatch a tiger by its toe. If it's Squishmallows, let me know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hi, that is a little one.
Well, you're on it again. At least you have a ticker.
Tinker, everyone.
No, it's like a burger.
Oh, yes, they're eeny, meeny, miny, mo first. Let's do that after. That would be fun.
We have the same size ears to make a burger. Now we need the ingredients.
Don't follow me, little ye. First, the cheese. A lot of cheese.
I mean, this is to get this. But then we need the cheese. And then after, we need to put that on. But let's just stick with like what we're doing.
I mean, you gotta have future plans about what you're gonna do. Ooh, boy, I got a whole lot of them.
Oh my, this is a
Well, okay, we have too much cheese. Let's get a whole lot of that.
This is gonna be the most delicious burger. And then it's gonna do any more. Oh what? Let's put the top on.
Nature's burger. When nature gives you leaves, you have to eat it.
Let's do any more.
Eeny, meeny, Cat's a toys, a boy, it's time. Cat's a skiss me, a boy, it's time. If he skiss me, let me know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, yes, do it again. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Cat's a skiss me, a boy, it's time. If he skiss me, let me know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yay! You got to have a burger.
Oh, sorry, I'm a sandwich at the also. Of course, I will eat a burger really quickly.
Now, Mariska the chef is gonna do Tucker part 2.
Part 3.
Part 3. But with this Tucker, we're gonna use new ingredients.
Ooh.
Do this at home. Or dare you. Truth or dare? If you said dare, then I dare you to beg your mom for Robux. If you pay Robux. Also, I dare you to beg your mom or dad or whatever.
Your guardian.
Your guardian to go to the playground.
And truth, who's your boyfriend?
Who's your boyfriend? Or do you got a boyfriend?
Or girlfriend?
Yeah, you have to tell us in the comments. If you don't, we're gonna do something with you.
Wait. That's too far.
Yeah, I'm kissing. I don't know how to do this stuff too far.
Your new ingredient.
A few many money more. That's a squishing a bunch time. If it's Squishmallows, let me on. Many money more. Some others didn't get to have a snack time. We need to get others that didn't get a snack have a time.
But we all had a snack earlier, remember?
Oh, what? Then this is extra vegetables.
Let's go.
Okay. Who does want Yetis? We can keep it in the bag.
For Xavier.
Okay.
In the bag, put it in the bag.
Can't believe this.
Wait, never mind.
Can't believe
Sorry.
those plants this big.
We've seen bigger plants.
Can't excuse me, boy, it's time.